So this is the honors problems for the final exam review for Algebra 2 from this point forward. So we're going to do 32 through 35 in this video. So in this one, Jenny's notebook contains 28 pieces of used paper, 34 pieces unused. Jimmy's has 52 used and 12 unused. Each reaches into their notebooks to grab a piece of paper. What's the probability that both pieces are unused? So we're going to multiply the probabilities. Jenny has 34 unused out of a total of 62 pieces of paper. And, so I'm going to multiply by Jimmy's 12 pieces of unused out of his total of 64 pieces of paper. So the total probability that they're both unused, let's just reduce here. So divide by 2. Here we could divide by 4. And then multiply across. And that'll be 496. Alright, number 33. Phil has a 40% chance of burning his toast. He has a 70% chance of overcooking his spaghetti. Probabilities are independent. What is the probability he avoids both events? So again, I'm multiplying the probabilities of not burning the toast, which is 60%, and not overcooking his spaghetti, which would be 30%. So that would be 18%. Alright, Alexis wants to create a 6-character password. I'm just going to make an outline of what that would look like. She wants to use arrangements of the 3 letters in her nickname, followed by arrangements of the numbers in her address, 928. How many different passwords can she create? So in this decision chart, I'm going to put the number of choices for each spot. So the letters are going to come first, these 3. There are 3 different letters. So 3 possibilities, then for the second spot there would be 2 possibilities left, and then 1. And then for the numbers, she wants to arrange these 3 numbers, so that would be 3 left, we have 2 left, and then 1. Multiplying all of those possibilities is 36 different passwords. Alright, Mr. Magnus needs 5 link crew leaders. There are 8 female and 12 male leaders from which he can choose. How many different groups of 5 leaders are possible? So we don't really need to look at the difference between how many are female versus male. So there's just 20 total people. And I am creating groups. So this is a combination, taking 5 students at a time. So the formula for combinations, you take 20 factorial over 5 factorial, and then the difference between these, which is 15 factorial. So expanding that out, and then I'm going to just stop at 15 because 15 factorial is on the bottom. So those cross out, and then we have 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, simplifying that is going to give us 15,504 different groups.